Come test drive the 2008 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, roof rack, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Come take a test drive today.